So now let's switch to a demo of Salesforce.com, Sales Analytics. So the demo, I'm going to show you three things in this demo. One is Salesforce.com and OBIEE, or Salesforce.com Analytics integration. I'll show you some sample dashboards and then some ad hoc reporting. So the best place to start a Salesforce.com Analytics demo, of course, is within Salesforce.com. So here we are in Salesforce.com, and you've got all of the different things that you would normally expect to see in Salesforce.com: leads, contacts. Oh, timed out. I'm going to log back in to Salesforce.com. This is our development instance of Salesforce.com. So it's got a number of recent leads, opportunities, all of the things that you would expect to see within Salesforce.com. This is the Enterprise Edition, winter 2011. And we've done a complete integration. So what you can do here is, just like any Salesforce tab, you've got an OBIEE 11G tab. And I've got a customer one that actually takes me to a customer OBIEE 11G dashboard. So I click on this, and what you'll see in a second, I've got two different servers going here, is you will see a Oracle BI 11G come up the first time logging in. It takes a little bit longer in our current setup. And here we go. We've got Oracle BI 11G, Salesforce.com Sales Analytics integrated fully within, with single sign-on, fully within the Salesforce.com environment. Because this is another critical thing we see. Salesforce.com customers often want to stay within Salesforce.com. That's really, you kind of have to bring the data to them versus expecting them to go to another place to get the user adoption that you want. So what we're seeing here is account history, top accounts by industry, some of the screenshots I had shown you earlier, and it's a fully interactive environment. So I can actually drill in place within this and see all of the different opportunities for this particular account. Okay. Go back. I can go to other dashboards. So I can go to other Salesforce. Here I've got a number of different applications set up, but I've got other dashboards here within our Salesforce. So I was looking at the customer dashboard. I can also look at leads. And this is all live and interactive for the Salesforce user. And you can, of course, change the colors because both OBIEE and Salesforce are quite open in terms of the color scheme, so it looks even more integrated. So you've got all of those capabilities. And then the last thing is the ability to do ad hoc demos. So mentioned, we've got a number of different subject areas. Let's go to the Salesforce.com one. So let's go to the lead subject area. Because again, this is something that's specific to Salesforce in terms of how Salesforce handles leads. So what I can do very quickly is create an ad hoc report. So my manager may be asking me, tell me how many leads we've created by account or by different things. So let's first of all get our standard metric in here. And then if I look at it from a customer or a contact perspective, I've got a number of different columns here that I can use. So I can even, first of all, get a very simple lead report, which actually gives me the list of leads. And then I can also look at, from a contact perspective, I could look at which country or state the leads are coming from. Click on the results button, see how much data we have. Oh, too much data in this particular case. So we would use a different column. We've looks like our testers have put in a huge amount of test data as we. But the basic point that I wanted to convey here is that you've got full ad hoc capability, so that you can answer new business questions that come up, not just the standard reports and dashboards that you get. The other thing is you've got hundreds of columns that you've got available. So you've got time-based columns in terms of what my lead generation is by year, by month, and so on. And then you've also got lead characteristics such as lead status, lead description, lead source, all of those kinds of things, and so on. So from a demo perspective, as I was indicating, three things that I wanted to show in the demo. One is, of course, the seamless integration that you can have between Salesforce and OBIEE, sample dashboards from the different areas. So we looked at both the customer and the leads area, and then full ad hoc reporting capability using the Oracle BI answers or analysis capability to create new reports and dashboards. And of course, so those are the three things that we find from customers as the three things that they want out of a solution such as this. So with that, I'm going to finish the demo section.